What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aliyah. Welcome to Crafts by Aliyah. What you'll need for this tutorial is some yarn, scissors, 2.25mm hook, and a 5mm hook, and some stitches that you should already know is a double crochet and a single crochet. Alright, the yarn I'm using today, I don't know the name or color of it, but I know I got it from Walmart, and I'll try to put like what I can remember in the description below. But you're going to grab your 2.25mm hook, and then you're going to chain up a chain of 51 chains. So chain it up 51 chains. Okay, so then you're going to skip the first stitch, and in the second stitch from the hook you're going to put a single crochet, and then you're going to continue single crocheting all the way down for your first row. It's going to be a total of 50 single crochets, row number 1. Alright, so now we're chaining 1, turning our work, and now we're on row number 2. And then you're going to chain up 2 more chains for a total of 3 chains, and that counts as your first double crochet. And now we're going to double crochet for the next 24 stitches. So the first chain up 3 counts as 1, and then you're going to put 24 more double crochets for a total of 25 double crochets for row number 2. Alright, so now we've done 24 double crochets, and we're going to chain up 3, turn our work, and then we're going to start to decrease now. So the next 2 double crochets will be done together. So 2 double crochet together, and that's a decrease. Oops. And then you're going to double crochet as usual all the way down. There we go. And for rows 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, you're going to decrease by 1 in the beginning of your work. So 6 rows of decrease in the beginning of your work. You're decreasing by 1. And I'm just showing you again. Chain up 3, double crochet the next 2 together, and then continue double crocheting all the way across. So for just only 6 rows, you're going to be double crocheting as usual and decreasing in the beginning, and you should have a slight decrease on both sides, just like that. And then now we're on row number 8, I believe. You're going to chain up 3, turn your work, and now you're going to be decreasing in the beginning and at the end of your row. So this is row number 8, and you're going to be decreasing in the beginning and at the end of your row, and I'm showing you how I do it at the end of my row. I just sped it up like this. Speeding it up. Almost there. So when you get to the last 3 stitches, you're going to double crochet 2 double crochets together. Let me show you again. Pull up a loop, pull up through 2, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through all 3. That's on your hook, and that's a decrease. And then put a regular double crochet at the end, just like that. And you're just going to keep going until you have 5 stitches left. And I'm going to show you in a second what I do with the when you get down to only 5 stitches left. So I chain up 3, turn my work, and so now we're just decreasing again. Double crochet the next 2 together, and then double crochet the last 2 together like this. There we go. And now you have 3 stitches. We're going to chain 3, turn our work, and then we're going to double crochet the last 2 stitches together, just like this. Now you have 2 stitches, and you're going to chain up 3, and then just put a double crochet in that last stitch, and then you're going to I didn't do it, but chain 1 and then cut your yarn to finish off for the first cup. So that's 1 cup, and this is what it should look like. And now we're going to do the second cup. So attach your yarn at the end of your 50 single crochets to do the second cup, and you're going to attach your yarn, chain up 3, and do the same exact thing you did for the first cup. It's literally the exact same thing. You put 24 double crochets and all the way down for a total of 25 double crochets, because you know that chain 3 counts as the first one. And you're just going to do the same exact thing, and I'm going to meet you at the end. This is what it should look like. All right, finish that off camera, and we're back, and this is what it should look like, just like this. Okay, now we're going to do the borders. So I attach my yarn at the bottom of my work with a single crochet, just like this, and then we're going to single crochet all the way around the body of your work for your border. Now you could do this in a different color too if you want. I just decided to do mine in this same color. And then when you get on the side of those double crochets, you're going to put 2 single crochet in this space of that double crochet. And then now we're at the top of the cup, and what you're going to do at the top of the cup is you're going to put 2 single crochets on the side of that double crochet, chain 2, and then put 2 more single crochets on the other side of that chain of 3 you did. 2 more single crochets, and I'm just tucking in my loose end. And then continue putting 2 single crochets in the sides of each double crochet. We've done this before. You guys should know how to do the borders on the double crochet. So easy. So easy. And then I'm going to show you what to do when we get down into that middle part in just a second. Speed it up. Okay, and when we get down to the middle of the 2 cups, it's really easy. Just put 2 single crochets in that last row, and then just jump over to the other cup and then put 2 single crochets in that row. Don't worry about that row of our first row, number 1 of single crochets. We're just focusing on the double crochets for this part. And this is what it should look like when you're done. When you get back around, slip stitch into the first chain and finish off. And I tucked in my loose end. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to add the straps in the middle. You're going to count from the end and count in to single crochet number 25 and 26 and mark it with a stitch marker. And then you're going to grab your 5mm hook, and I just picked one or the other, and you're going to put your hook through and pull up a yarn, or pull through the yarn just like this, so that it's double stranded, and pull it long enough. We're going to do 65 chains for these middle straps that I'm doing, and make sure it's double stranded, and then you just chain it up. Chain up till you get to 65 or around. You could do as many as you want, but I'm just telling you what I did. I did 65, and then I did the same with the other, in the same place as the other stitch marker. And then for the rest of the straps, it's real easy. You just do the same thing, and I'm just showing you where to put it on the sides in that chain 2 spot at the top of the cups. You're going to do chain up a chain of 65, or as long as you want it to be. Make sure it's double stranded, and on the side straps, I'm just showing you where to put it, just right in that double crochet space. And we're done. This is what it should look like. It's so cute. You could wear it different ways. You could tie it up any kind of way you want. I'm just showing you a little video. I just like it, the little extra straps. And that's it, y'all. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please comment down below. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Got new videos every Wednesday, every Friday. Check out my Instagram. Check out my online store. Alright, bye.